Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. Let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, we do not have any kind of timer icon here, so we have to open the settings, and the settings are right there. So let's tap on this icon, and the timer is right in the middle. So we've got 3 different options in this device, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately highlighted and set. What is more, we can see it on the shutter button, so you can always check before taking a photo whether you've got the timer set or not. So all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button right now, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, we've got it. Of course, you can always turn off the timer. Just enter the settings and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button, almost right after. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.